Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a GIF or GIF on Flodesk. Alright, all you need to do is just use an image block and upload the GIF. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new email right here and start from scratch. Okay, GIF, sample, save. I'm going to add in a new block right here, this one, and then select image. Okay, there you have it. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on upload image. Now go ahead and find the GIF that you wanted to upload or use. Maybe this one. Make sure that it is highlighted and click on open. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, our GIF is working. Okay. You can now go ahead and click on preview if you want to check it out, like so. And that's how you add a GIF on Flodesk. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.